Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Dogecoin from Robinhood to Uphold in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, moving your assets securely is more important than ever. Whether you're switching platforms for better features, lower fees, or just more control, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have verified accounts on both Robinhood and Uphold. This is crucial for smooth transactions and security. Also, ensure your Dogecoin is readily available in your Robinhood wallet. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app or website and log in securely. Head over to your portfolio section and locate your Dogecoin holdings. Step 2. Tap or click on Dogecoin to access its details. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. Robinhood's interface might have some 2025 updates, but it should be straightforward. Step 3. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. Now, you'll need the receiving address from Uphold, so switch over to the Uphold app or site. Step 4. In Uphold, go to your Dogecoin wallet and generate or copy your deposit address. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 5. Back in Robinhood, paste the Uphold address into the withdrawal form. Review the details, including any network fees, which could be around 1 to 2% depending on blockchain congestion in 2025. Step 6. Confirm the transfer and wait for it to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, but keep an eye on your Uphold account to confirm the arrival. A quick word of caution. Always use two-factor authentication and verify everything to protect against scams. Network fees and wait times can vary, so plan accordingly. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Dogecoin from Robinhood to Uphold in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.